हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। मैं हूं सौरभ और आप देख रहे हैं हमारा चैनल शत्रुघ्न मिष्टी। टुडे वी विल मेक अ स्पेशल ओट्स रेसिपी, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
To make food for today's world quick and easy while giving health the first priority. And when we talk about healthy food, oatmeal comes first. It has very high nutrition value such as complex carbs which fills our stomach for a long time with less amount of food. It has vitamins like A, B complex, minerals like calcium, iron that increases our immunity system. High protein for fit physique, and lastly high fibers for better bowel movements. But despite of all the benefits, the plain milk oat tastes pretty boring, and if not added with some fruits like banana, mango, honestly it tastes horrible. That's why I keep trying it with different items like coffee, juice, honey, etc. And in the process I finally found one very underrated food item, that is gur or jaggery. Unlike sugar, which is actually dangerous for your health because it is refined and a fast absorbing carb, jaggery is unrefined, containing all the vital minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium. Because of its complexity, it don't get absorbed as soon as you put it in your mouth like sugar. Except that jaggery has many other health benefits. Link will be given in the description box. But that does not mean you can have as much as you want. The quantity should be checked because of two main reasons. One, it is essentially a sugar containing 50% sucrose. And secondly, as it is unrefined raw sugar, having too much can cause a digestion problem. You can also add honey on the alternate days. But jaggery has a different taste and texture that cannot be defined with words. And at the end, you can garnish it with any fruit you want and enjoy the super healthy meal.
Check out our vlog to get all the written versions of our videos. To know more about us, you can check our Insta. Link is in the description. Hit like if you like the video, subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the notification of our future videos.